Hi, dear teacher. My name is Eden Bolivar. This is my short history about work stress. When I met my American friend, he's from Day City, and he explained me that how I could make a better intonation. He gave me a few sentences that I'm going to show. Does the open at one? Can you lend me $1? Those sentences are which intonation up in the last word. One and dollar. Then, who are you calling? How was the show? Those last sentences have an intonation down in the last word too. Calling and shown. My friend, he explained me that it's a short answer. After I think I can learn more. So I hope see you soon. Thank you, teacher. See you later.